Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Discover Sources feature in NotebookLM. All right, so if you just created a notebook and you don't really have source material for what you want the topic of the notebook to be, you can actually ask NotebookLM to discover sources on pretty much any topic you want. So in this pop-up where it says add sources, you can just click on this button right here, discover sources, and then you just give it a topic. So I was playing with this earlier, and I think I used something like how did philosophy of education change during the Industrial Revolution? And I'm just going to submit that. For some reason, it limits itself to only finding 10 sources at a time. But you can do this multiple times. So you're not limited to just finding 10 sources using this method. It'll find 10 at a time. And then if you want, you can do it again and have it find more. So it just found 10 sources. I'm going to import them all. One of the things that does happen when you import sources this way or discover sources this way is it may not work with some of the sources. Like some websites, it'll have an error for. So this is perfect. This actually illustrates what I wanted to show. URL not reachable. So it could be that this URL was used in other sources and it's popular with this topic, but for some reason the URL itself no longer exists or something like that. But it labeled it as a source and it selected it. It just can't. So I will show you how to remove that source in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.